To draw phasor diagram in case of series combination of LCR circuit, we must know the properties of the inductor, capacitor and resistor. That is, in case of inductor, the voltage across the inductor leads the current by angle of pi by 2. Similarly, the voltage across capacitor lags behind, or we can say current leads the voltage by angle pi by 2. And in case of the resistor, the voltage and current are in phase. So when we use these properties and draw this phasor diagram, then the phasor diagram will be, let this is x-axis, this one is the y-axis, and this is the direction in which the voltage across resistance and currents lies. Perpendicular to this and 90-degree ahead, there will be the vector of voltage across inductor, and perpendicular and behind this current or voltage across resistor, there will be voltage VOC. So in this situation, this VOL is just opposite to the VOC, and when we find resultant of these two vectors, then it will be VOL minus VOC. Again, when we find resultant of VOL minus VOC with the VOR, then we use this parallelogram law of vector addition, and this is the vector VO, which is the maximum voltage or peak voltage or amplitude of the voltage applied across the series combination. The phase difference between voltage and current in this situation is given by the angle phi as shown in this diagram.